This is an instructional video for the Simple Houseware Standing Coat and Hat Hanger Organizer Rack. For an easier time, you can separate the different parts before following these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Insert the adjustable glides by twisting them into the bottom of the legs. Do this to create 4 sets. Step 2. Assemble the base by inserting the legs into part A. Align the holes to apply the small hardware, then tighten the screws to secure the parts together. A separate Phillips screwdriver is required to fully tighten the hardware. Step 3. Attach part B on top by aligning the small indentation with the groove on part A. Do the same thing to stack part C over part B. Step 4. Attach part D by repeating the previous steps. Step 5. Cover the ends of the hooks by inserting the small plastic ends. Do this to complete 4 sets of small hooks and 4 sets of large hooks. Step 6. Begin attaching the hooks onto the frame itself. Align the hook so that the hardware holes match up with each other. Then apply the remaining screws to secure the parts together. Once again, a separate Phillips screwdriver is required to fully tighten the hardware.